Denza, the premium technology-oriented automotive brand of the BYD Group, is proud to present the Denza Z9GT flagship for its introduction to the European market. Beneath the Z9GT's stunning bodywork lies the E3 platform, created specifically for the Denza brand. The E3 platform offers a choice of powertrain, pure electric or super hybrid DM. The EV version of the Z9GT offers exhilarating acceleration of 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds and can reach a top speed of 167 miles per hour. Its front motor produces 313 PS, and each of its rear motors has a peak power figure of 422 PS. The total system power output is 1,156 PS, a figure that exceeds that of many luxury brands' V12 petrol engines. The capacity of the Z9GT EV's second-generation blade battery is an impressive 122.49 kilowatt-hours, delivering 372 miles of range on the WLTP Combined cycle. A rear-wheel drive edition of the Z9GT EV, featuring the same battery, will join the lineup in Europe before the end of 2026, offering even greater combined range of up to 500 miles. Plug-in super hybrid version features 3 electric motors too, but also incorporates a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine that is primarily designed to keep the 63.82 kilowatt-hour battery charged. The total system output is 776 PS. The Z9GT DM has 173 PS from petrol power alone, and a 63.82 kilowatt-hour blade battery that offers 126 miles of pure electric range, comfortably enough for several days of average commutes. Its performance is impressive too, with 0 to 62 miles per hour dispatched in just 3.6 seconds and a top speed of 161 miles per hour.